On our small blue world, we've always gazed at the night sky with wonder. The stars have inspired stories, guided explorers, and sparked our deepest questions. In 1977, humanity sent a messenger into the cosmic ocean, Voyager 2. This small probe, no bigger than a car, carried our hopes and curiosity beyond the edge of our solar system. Voyager 2 was more than metal and wires. It was our eyes and ears sent to witness worlds we could only imagine. Its mission to fly past Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, an unprecedented journey. The probe was built to last, enduring the harshness of space and sending back data across unimaginable distances. Voyager 2 revealed swirling storms on Jupiter, Saturn's intricate rings, Uranus's tilted axis, and Neptune's fierce winds. It discovered moons with icy volcanoes and hidden oceans, sending postcards from the edge of our known world. After Neptune, Voyager 2 pressed onward, heading for the boundary where the sun's influence fades and interstellar space begins. Its mission transformed, from planetary science to cosmic discovery, seeking the very edge of our sun's kingdom. Voyager 2 became a true starfarer, a lonely sentinel carrying the memory of Earth into the unknown. Its journey is a testament to our unyielding desire to explore and understand our place in the cosmos. And so, Voyager 2 continues, a silent ambassador in the endless night. Voyager 2's journey was made possible by a rare planetary alignment, a cosmic slingshot that happens only once every 176 years. Using gravity assists, the probe visited 4 giant planets in a single magnificent tour. At Jupiter, it flew through powerful magnetic fields and witnessed the Great Red Spot and volcanic activity on Io. Saturn's rings were revealed as thousands of shimmering ringlets, and new moons were discovered. Voyager 2 then became the first and only visitor to Uranus and Neptune. Uranus, tipped on its side, revealed new rings and a bizarre magnetic field. Neptune's deep blue atmosphere was whipped by the fastest winds in the solar system. These distant worlds, once faint points of light, became unique places with stories of their own. Voyager 2 showed us a solar system far more dynamic and beautiful than we ever imagined. Attached to Voyager 2 is the Golden Record, a time capsule for any intelligent life that might find it. This disk contains greetings in 55 languages, sounds of nature, and music from across cultures and eras. It's a portrait of Earth, a message of hope cast into the cosmic ocean. The record also holds 115 images, scenes of life, diagrams of our solar system and DNA, and photos of people, animals, and landscapes. The cover is etched with diagrams showing our sun's location and instructions for playing the record. It's a brilliant attempt to communicate across time and species. The Golden Record is a symbol of optimism, a sign that we are reaching out, eager to share who we are. It's a snapshot of our world, honest and hopeful. Voyager 2 carries this message, a testament to our desire for connection. It's humanity's greeting to the unknown. For over 4 decades, Voyager 2 sent back whispers from the edge of the solar system. By 2025, it was over 20 billion kilometers from home, its signal a faint echo across the void. Scientists listened patiently, knowing the probe's power would one day fade. On July 7, 2025, a final weak stream of data arrived, expected to be the last. NASA's team gathered to honor the probe's journey, preparing for a simple farewell. But the final transmission was not what they expected. The data was structured, not random, a repeating pattern unlike any natural phenomenon. Telemetry showed the probe was healthy, but the information it gathered was deeply odd. The signal contained a complex sequence of radiation fluctuations layered over the cosmic background. At first, they suspected a malfunction, but diagnostics were clear. Voyager 2 was reporting exactly what it detected. The final message was not an ending, but a new, unsettling beginning. At the very end of its life, the little probe had found something truly unexpected. The silence that followed was heavier than anyone anticipated. NASA scientists worked feverishly to decode the data. Voyager 2 was not malfunctioning. It had detected a genuine phenomenon. The probe recorded intense, structured bursts of radiation, organized in a logical sequence. It was as if something was deliberately manipulating energy around the probe. The radiation was a type of particle never before detected, carrying immense energy but barely interacting with matter. The pattern resembled a code, artificial but not a language. Alongside this, the probe's cosmic ray detectors showed a sudden drop, as if something vast was shielding it from the universe's background radiation. Scientists called it a shadow, an unseen presence of immense size, invisible to telescopes. 2 inexplicable readings pointed to something significant. Voyager 2 had stumbled into a region of space that was not empty, but active and enormous. The probe hadn't simply died, it had found something it was not meant to find. The silence that followed was profound. The scientific community was left with more questions than answers. Voyager 2's final message was staggering. For centuries we've searched for extraterrestrial life by listening for radio signals, but this transmission suggested something entirely new. Phenomena beyond our current physics. The strange radiation wasn't a radio wave, but a new form of energy. It forced us to reconsider our place in the cosmos. The presence Voyager 2 detected seemed to operate on a scale far beyond our comprehension. It's humbling. We may be profoundly primitive in a universe filled with wonders we can't imagine. The pattern in the radiation wasn't a message, but it was information, order from chaos. The universe might not be silent, we may have been deaf to its true music. Voyager 2's final act injected mystery back into space exploration. It reminds us that the age of discovery is far from over. The darkness between the stars is not empty, it's full of secrets. The journey of discovery continues with more profound questions than ever. After the final transmission, a profound silence fell. NASA tried everything to re-establish contact, but Voyager 2 was gone. The abrupt end was unsettling, a stark reminder of the unknown. The scientific community debated, was it a fatal encounter with unknown forces or something more deliberate? Some wondered if the presence Voyager 2 detected had silenced it. Attention turned to Voyager 1, our last sentinel in interstellar space. Its data remained normal, but every signal was now scrutinized with new urgency. The loss of Voyager 2 is more than the loss of a machine, it's the loss of our most distant outpost. It leaves us feeling more alone and more vulnerable in the vast, silent cosmos. The dangers of exploration are real, but so is our courage to face them. Voyager 2's silence is a haunting echo in the darkness. Voyager 2's final message has forever changed how we see the night sky. The universe now feels more mysterious and more alive with possibility and danger. This event will shape the future of exploration, pushing us to develop new ways to detect the unknown. SETI must evolve. It's no longer just about radio waves, but about any sign of unnatural physics. The knowledge that we may not be alone forces us to see ourselves differently. Our conflict seems smaller against the vast, mysterious cosmos. Voyager 2's greatest gift is perspective, a call for unity on our fragile planet. Its story is not an ending but a transformation, a messenger, a prophet, and a reminder of how much we have yet to learn. The journey of discovery continues, with renewed wonder and respect for the unknown. And so we're left with an unanswered question. What did Voyager 2 find in the dark? Was it a natural phenomenon or the first fleeting touch with an intelligence beyond our comprehension? The final transmission was too brief, the silence too absolute. This mystery is now part of our culture, a story to inspire future generations. Voyager 2's legacy is both scientific achievement and profound mystery. As it drifts through the galaxy, it reminds us how little we truly know. Perhaps one day we'll have the courage to follow and finally understand the meaning of its final, mysterious whisper from the void.